Okay, friends, yesterday was my all-day epic thrifting day, sourcing inventory for my reselling business. I'm a part-time reseller. I resell mostly with women's clothing and fashion online as a side hustle. Yesterday, I made a video about sourcing all day. It was really fun. Well, I was going to check out at Salvation Army, and I said to the cashier, I think I heard you talking about a sale. And he's like, yeah. I'm like, well, what's happening? He said, tomorrow, all clothing is 50% off. So I've cleared my day. It's Friday. Don't mind my yoga hammock here. I know it looks weird. Maybe I should film in a different spot for you so it's not like... Anyway, so I'm like, I had a huge bag, like an IKEA bag full of clothing. It cost me $150 yesterday, but I got awesome stuff. Reformation, some Giorgio Armani pants. I spent time, a marine layer shirt. I spent time checking comps and everything. I got really good stuff. Frame new with tag. So maybe that stuff wouldn't even be there today. Who knows? But I'm like, okay, I'm clearing my Friday so I can go. Wish me luck. Okay, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I am chronically early. I'm like early for everything because I don't want to deal with the stress that comes along with being late for things. Ooh, wobbly, sorry. Is that good? I don't want to deal with like the stress of I'm late. So I always get places early, but now it's 9:40. They open at 10 in 20 minutes. I thought there'd be a line out the door and no place to park. There's like 8 cars here and some of them might belong to the employees. So I don't know.
I know. This was basically your rack, your one rack you brought in. Yeah, and then the shoes. Yeah, I don't need big.
Okay, and it's time to sort through and decide what I'm gonna buy and what I'm going to pass on, and I do serious quality control looking for holes and stains. I did take this Athleta jacket. I hope to flip that around $40. Jackets were $9.99, but it's 50% off, so $5 for a jacket, pretty good. This is one of my favorite pickups of the day. It is a classic Zara trench coat. Zara is a brand I'm paying more attention to right now, and every style video or trend report that I've seen lately says wardrobe basic staple, a camel colored trench coat. So I'll wait to list that until the fall. I went back and forth about this sweater. What do you guys think? It's Classics NTR, which is a brand that doesn't sell quickly but can sell for a lot, and that was a wrap sweater. I ultimately passed on it. It had a lot of pilling, and I just wasn't sure what I could get for it. But I do think this is a really great wardrobe staple as well in a neutral color. Next up, a Topshop jacket. This is one of these things they call like a shacket, a cross between a shirt and a jacket. I did pick that one up. And look at this teddy coat by C&C California. $9.99, half off is $5. And these Sherpa-like teddy coats have done really well the past year or so. Next up's another Athleta piece. Do you guys buy this brand? It's one of my best sellers. This is a heavyweight jacket. I'll pop up stock photos, you guys, for the things that I found. It's my goal to have everything in this video listed. So my Poshmark closet and eBay store is linked down below. But I'll pop up some stock photos so you can see This is a fantastic brand. Memorize that label, Marine Layer. This brand sells really well in the $30 to $40 range for men's and women's pre-owned stuff. They do some eco-friendly stuff, and they're just a pretty popular brand. Remember, a lot of the inventory in the store comes from San Francisco, so I get a lot of that urban style stuff. A Free People sweater, my best-selling brand. I wanted this, but there was so much staining on it. It's a long heathered gray tunic sweater. I had to pass on it. I looked up these Universal Thread jeans. Universal Thread is from Target, but they make such trendy pieces, you can still sell it. I did pass on those just because the comps weren't there. I did buy these mom jeans. These are so on trend for 2022. Light wash, super high rise on these babies. These are J. Crew linen pants, and they're the Hayden. And I listed these, I think, for about $40 because that's what sold comp show on that particular style of pants. This is Textile Elizabeth and James. I looked it up. Camo sells well for me, but I did pass on those. It just didn't have the best comps. These are J. Jill Wherever Collection pants. I have sold these same pants so many times. This one had some weird stretching at the knees, so I did have to pass, but that's an easy $20 flip, usually a fast flip. I pick that up whenever I see them. If I can get them for less than like $5, I buy those J. Jill Wherever Collection Ponte knit pants. They've sold every time, like 100% sell-through rate, but I wasn't sure what was going on with the stretching there. I did pick up this pair though, same style, J. Jill Ponte knit. I just sold these same pants for $24.99 a few weeks ago. So in the cart, those went. Free People Movement on half off day. I love it. That's the Free People Movement logo. These are an extra small, pop up a stock photo. I was able to find the name and everything on these. It's kind of fun to see the other shoppers in the background and see kind of what's going on at the store. Let me know what you think of these hauls right in the store. Liverpool, this is a pretty good selling brand. I know it's carried at Stitch Fix. These are Newid tags, and I'll also pop up a stock photo for these. I did buy these. Kind of a stretchy pull-on. You can wear them career or casual. These are Anthropologie. I love when the tag says by Anthropologie. These feel amazing. They're kind of a bright, colorful, skinny pants, but they've got some Tencel lyocell in them, so they just feel really good. And I was able to find a stock photo of those as well. For spring-summer 2022, we're going to see a lot of bright colors. If you watched my last haul video, I picked up some great bright colored dresses. Lucky brand, size large. Do you guys still pick up this brand? I bought this because at half off it was just a few dollars, and it was a size large and a very cool style. I'm selective now of what I'll pick up from Lucky Brand. It used to sell crazy good, but now not so much. This is a more vert. This was Newid tags, had $108 tag on it. This already sold. It sold within a few hours for $27 on eBay, 27 plus shipping. So they paid $30 for a shirt on eBay. This I picked up even though I cannot read the name brand because I'm going to sell it on style. 100% linen, lightweight, lag and look, boho tunic. Those will all be my keywords. I'll list that around $40 and it will probably sell. It's also made in Italy, but I cannot read that name brand tag. I bought this. I've sold the same shirt before. It's Click by Hot Cotton, and it's just another boho lag and look type top with ruffles, tunic length. I sold one before for around $35. This I bought for myself. It's Not Your Daughter's Jeans brand. I wouldn't have bought that probably for resale, but I thought I was going to wear it myself, but I don't love the fit. This already sold. This is an equipment Dress, it's sold within a few hours. It's 100% silk. Dresses from this brand on their website are selling for about $345. I looked it up before listing. I listed mine for $49.99. Some people were saying on Instagram that this brand sits. Well, mine sold in just a few hours. I took an offer because I love a flash flip. Sold for $35 plus $2.99 shipping. This is All Saints, a fantastic brand. This is a very lightweight, kind of larger polka dot shirt, but you guys, it's men's. I didn't know that. So I did find a stock photo, and I'm going to list that around the $40 range. Sometimes I find great men's stuff mixed in with the women's stuff. So this is a great piece. It's cloth and stone, but made for Anthropologie. This is also 100% silk. So it's silk. Cloth and Stone is a brand that can sit and not sell that well, but if it's for Anthropologie, I'm selling it quick. This is one of my favorite pickups. It's just Banana Republic, but it is a long, silky maxi with a drop waist. It kind of reminds me of like the 1920s with the ties over the shoulder. Totally gorgeous. I wanted it for myself, but I can't squeeze into it. I'm not a small. I bought this because it's Michael Kors 1X, and it's a fantastic drape front spandex dress. This would be perfect for a wedding or a party, any kind of occasion. Very flattering style. I do not pick up a lot of Michael Kors, but this one was plus size, and I thought it was a really great style. Another Classics NTR piece. This is a women's size 12 sheath dress, and look how gorgeous it is. Gorgeous. It's very heavy, thick, stretchy knit. It's lined, kind of a fitted style, but it will be extremely flattering on someone. I'm going to list that one high around $49.99. I don't think that brand usually moves super quickly or anything, but it's a high quality brand, and it does sell if I'm willing to wait for the right buyer. Here's a great angle of the top of my head. Look at the line, you guys. I was so glad I was sorting because the line was crazy. People were in and out that first hour. I'm excited to show you these next few things because this is ASOS. I'll pop up a stock photo. It's gorgeous. It's a sweater knit metallic sexy pencil skirt. The reason I'm excited about these next few things is because when I was here the day before shopping, I left them behind because I didn't want to pay full price. I liked the brands. I liked the styles, but like these, XCVI, great boho brand, expensive. This is a little plain within the brand. Usually they have crochet or lace or something, but I definitely wanted to pick them up on half off day. So there were a few things I picked up that I had left behind the day before because at half price, definitely. Pants were $6.99. These as well, Bowden. If you watched my video from the day before, I said, love this brand, high quality, I want them, but I don't want to pay $6.99. But will I pay $3.50 for Bowden pants? Sure. So waiting for 50% off day was definitely a good idea. Picked up all that stuff. Everlane, I love selling this brand. This I also looked at the day before, but it had a little spot there and I wasn't 100% sure I could get it out. So I didn't buy it, but I bought it at half off day for $3.50. So that has a little stain treating on it and it's in the wash. I'm hoping it'll come out just fine. I love selling Everlane. This is another shirt that I'd put aside the day before. The brand on this is actually just cotton on, but I love the graphic. Live to Ride, acid wash blue with an eagle on it. Yes, perfect graphic tee. Probably only be able to get less than $20 for that, including shipping, but I just really liked it. And for a few bucks, I was really excited that it was still there on 50% off day when I had left it behind the day before. Okay, and Diane von Furstenberg, classic designer of the iconic wrap dress. These are some navy blue kind of pencil pants, but I was so excited to find DVF on half off day. There are a few things that didn't make it into this haul, so stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you a couple other great things I picked up that didn't make it in the haul. Okay guys, this was 2 hours, $105. I have a completely stuffed huge bag, like an IKEA bag, plus all these jackets. Look at this. This is a Zara women's trench coat, a long trench coat, classic piece, $5. A big fuzzy teddy coat from CNC, California, $5. Just some amazing brands. I'm really excited. I think I did pretty good. Can't wait to show you guys the haul. Here are just a few things that didn't make it into the haul. This is Reformation, a really trendy brand sold at places like Revolve. It's very expensive. These are some ribbed jogger knit women's pants. This next item is a kids item, but it is a Bolo kids item. It is Polan O Pirate. I don't know how to say that, but this is like another shacket where it's Sherpa lined. I sold a pair of pajamas by this brand for $65 pre-owned. I'm gonna list this little jacket for $29.99 on eBay. Oh my god, I'm actually like stepping on the next item I want to show you. That's not good. This is another brand to be on the lookout for. This is Peruvian Connection. They make women's clothing and they use very high quality fabrics. This is just a long red kind of tunic top. That's sunlight coming in. There's nothing wrong with this top, but they use Pima cotton, made in Peru. It's just a really high quality. And then I also grabbed this new with tags Tommy Bahama women's maxi dress. I got it because it was new with a $145 price tag on it. And it's just a long black maxi dress. So a few more good pickups. And I forgot to show you this one. Are you familiar with this tag? In case you don't know, it's Banana Republic, but it's Banana Republic Monogram, which is a much higher end. I recently sold a dress. It took a while to sell, but it sold for $79. This is a women's black pleated mini dress, elastic waist, and then it goes down to a skirt, so it's black and navy. This pleating I think is really popular for summer 2022, so I don't pick up a lot of Banana Republic, but I'll pick up this tag because it's their higher end line and it sells for a lot more. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this type of video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed on the way out. And I'll see you soon. I'll have a Goodwill Outlet bins haul coming up soon.